we will code this product grid. I provide e-commerce development services. If you need it, check the link below. I have a basic React setup, so this is NextJS setup. Just Google how to set up NextJS if you don't know how. And first, in page TSX, we will import modern UI from add components modern UI that we will create. Then we will create a list of products. So this is going to be placeholder products. We have ID, name, price, image, URL. So you can download this from my GitHub. So I will leave the link below. You need to go to this public folder in my GitHub and download these images. Or if you can put your own images. Then we have description, rating, and then button color. And make sure to write it like this. And then I'm going to add a bunch of more products. You can write this. I'm going to go slowly. Okay, next. Let's export default this homepage. Return, div, and modern UI, and products. Okay, and now we need to go and create this. So next to the app, we need to create this modern UI.tsx, so file. Inside of this modern UI file, ignore these other files, so new arrivals, that's for different video. So we're going to import these icons and stuff. So if you don't have Lucid React, just npm install Lucid React. And then we're going to define product interface. Then we're going to say product card. It's going to have this product prop. And that's going to be equal. And we're going to destructure this product. And then arrow function. Let me close this. So render stars, so these are like ratings. We're going to get a rating number and const stars empty array. Full stars, we're going to get number of full stars. So if it's 4.5, it's going to be 4 full stars. Half star, we're going to check if there is a half star. Okay, so we're going to go from 0 to 5 and return stars. So here in the for, we're going to have some ifs. So if I is less than full star, if I is full star and there is half star, or else. We're going to render these stars. So I'm going to create this array. Then if we have also half star, then we will also push the half star as well. And then we will just push the empty white stars. So from 0 to 5. Okay, then we will return some div. This is going to be a product card. And make another div and another div inside. So this will be the card, the image. So we have a product image URL, product name with height, and then some classes. So we're going to have object cover. And then on hover, we're going to have some shadows. We're going to have some scale. Below that, name of the product, and then description of the product, and then product price to fix to. And then below that, let's make a div. We're gonna show the stars here, and then the button buy now. And this is the color that I decided. Actually, I'm not even using this button color, so this is unnecessary completely. So let me save this. Down below, export const modern UI. We're gonna give it a list of products, and then destructure this list of products in an arrow function. Then return something. Div that's gonna display grid on different window sizes, and then map all of the products and say product card, passing key and passing the product, and save. And this is how we coded this product grid. I provide e-commerce development services. Check the link below if you need it, and see you until the next time.